Welcome everyone. If you're watching this, I'd already know something about you. You want to speak English fluently, but you don't have anyone to help you. No teacher, no guide, no speaking partner, and maybe no confidence left. But you still haven't given up. You're searching, you're trying, you're hoping that maybe, just maybe, today you'll find something that actually works. Let me tell you something very important, and I want you to hear it with your heart. You are not weak. You are not lazy. You are not bad at English. You just never had the right system. You never had the right direction, and no one ever showed you how powerful learning English by yourself can be. But today, everything will change. Today, I'm going to give you the 7 most powerful steps to improve your English alone, even if you have no money, no partner, no confidence, and no idea where to start. Each step is based on the real psychology of fluency, real systems that work, and the real struggles that millions of people face just like you. These are not tricks. These are not fake hacks. These are systems that will rewire your brain, train your mouth, grow your confidence, and make you feel proud of yourself, not ashamed. And the best part, you don't need to move to another country. You don't need to join expensive classes. You don't even need to be confident. You can start from zero, right now, in your own home. But I want you to promise me one thing. Don't skip, don't rush, don't stop. Because this video is not entertainment. It is a system. And if you follow all 7 steps, your English will change forever. And so will your life. So watch till the end. And if you feel even 1% more confident, 1% more motivated, 1% more clear about your English journey, then please subscribe because this is just the beginning of your transformation. Let's begin. Step 1. Create your English world. No matter where you live, you don't need to move to London. You need to build London around you, inside your room, your ears, and your mind. Most people think English is a language problem. But it's not. It's an environment problem. Let me explain. If you live in a country where no one speaks English, your brain never gets used to it. It feels foreign, uncomfortable, and difficult. Your brain says, I don't hear this sound every day, so it must not be important. But if you hear English around you every day, your brain says, this is normal, this is safe, this is me. And that's how fluency begins. Not by studying, but by surrounding yourself. Our brains are like sponges. They soak up whatever you hear and see every day. You became fluent in your first language, not because you studied it, but because you heard it all day long, every day from your parents, your TV, your friends. That's the system we're going to recreate. But for English, how to build your English world. Daily routine you can follow. Put on your headphones and leave them on. Every morning after you brush your teeth,